Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a tablet during Christmas sale in Amazon.in or Flipkart.com, then this video is going to be helpful for you. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price for this tablet is around 33,000 rupees. Many users are asking me whether this tablet is good enough or not in 2025. I think this is a very good tablet. The screen quality and the processor and the battery backup of this tablet is top notch, so you can definitely use this tablet for 3 to 4 years without any problem. Plus you will get regular software updates on this tablet, so you can expect decent performance from this tablet even in 2026 and 27. Many people actually want to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB variant, but the price of this iPad is right now very high, so you should definitely wait for the Christmas sale. The best price for iPad 11th generation is 27 to maximum 28,000 rupees. We all know that iPad 11th generation is a very good iPad for content creation. I have made a dedicated video in which I have shown how the video editing can be done on iPad 11th generation. So if you have not watched that video, link of that video will be in the description below. The next tablet is one of the hot selling tablets, that is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. For the 128GB Wi-Fi variant, the best price for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is 22 to 25,000 rupees. So if you don't get this tablet under 25,000 rupees, I will not recommend you to buy this tablet in 2025. Rather, you should wait for Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, because the price of that tablet will decrease in 2026. Next, if you want to buy iPad Air M3, in that case the best price for this iPad is around 40 to 42,000 rupees. During Amazon Great Indian Festival, this iPad was sold at a price point of 43,000 rupees. If you have a tight budget of 12 to 13,000 rupees, in that case you can definitely buy Oneplus Pad Lite. Oneplus Pad Lite comes with a massive battery, so battery backup will be very good and the processor is mediocre, so you can expect decent amount of performance from this tablet. However, I did not like the screen quality of this tablet as per the price point. But if you are a student and you have a tight budget, you can definitely consider this tablet for all-round performance. The best price for OnePlus Pad Lite is around 10,000 to 11,000 rupees maximum with card discount on Amazon.in. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price for S10 FE is 28 to 29,000 rupees, and don't buy above that pricing. Many users actually want to know the price of Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant. For the Wi-Fi variant you can pay the price of 14,000 rupees maximum, and if you want to buy the 5G variant of 128GB, in that case the best price is 18,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB of Redmi Pad Pro 5G variant, in that case the best price would be 21 to 22,000 rupees maximum. The next tablet in the list is Xiaomi Pad 7. For the 128GB variant you can pay the price of 18 to 19,000 rupees, and the 256GB variant can be sold at a price point of 22,000 rupees. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets. If you want to know the price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. The only condition is that you have to like the video and hype the video, and I will answer your questions. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.